Hello everyone, welcome back to another short unboxing and review. Today in this video, I am going to sharing Honor 400 Pro 5G short unboxing and review. So first of all, talk about the box content. You can get one SIM ejector tool, one soft case, one papers, one USB Type-C cable, and 100-watt fast adapter. And lastly, our smartphone. The Honor 400 comes with a beautiful design with a triple camera setup on the back. The smartphone built with glass in the front, plastic back and plastic frame, and the phone also offers IP69 rating. Moving to the display, the phone comes with 6.7-inch 1B color AMOLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate, and the phone offers 5000 nits of peak brightness. This is quad curved display and the display is excellent. Performance wise, the phone comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC with 12GB RAM and up to 512GB storage. On the software side, the phone running Magic OS 9 with Android 15, and the phone also offers 6 years of major Android update. In the camera department, the phone comes with a triple camera setup, 200MP main sensor, 50MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and 12MP ultra wide and 50MP selfie camera. And very soon this smartphone camera review coming our channel, so make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. And the smartphone comes with a 6000 mAh battery with 80-watt fast charging, 50-watt wireless charging and 5-watt reverse wireless charging supported. Our long-time full review coming our channel very soon, so make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, that's all about our short unboxing and review, and I'll be see you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.